Good morning, fellow wet shavers. It's Gonzo, and I just got one of my coveted. I've been wanting to get a Theater. You guys all know that I've been boasting about them. My mentor, Rick Boone's been trying to get me to get one for over a year, and being hard-headed and not listening. Wish I would have done that a year ago because it's just freaking amazing. We're gonna do a test lather with it. We're gonna do test out some Mitchell's wool fat and see how that works out with it. My Theater's a 4125/1, which I believe is the means the black handle. It's a 2-band. Just freaking amazing. I used it yesterday and I was just super impressed. I'm using a little bowl. I rarely ever bowl lather. I'm going to try that today. I'm using a bowl a friend I grew up with is into pottery. He made me this, and it's pretty cool. It's kind of got that metallic look and stuff. It's pretty neat, and we're going to go for it. So we're going to bloom some Mitchell's wool fat here. So I got the water on there, softening it up a little bit, and we're going to see how that works out. And hope everything's going good for you all. I know the holidays are here. Things are going pretty quick. Happened to see Alan Boyd and Ray Pope last night. I was hoping to maybe see Matthew David later today, but I'm not feeling that good. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. Been one of those years, but no big deal. I'll get over it. So, anyways, let's start loading this brush up and see what we get. Like I said, it's Mitchell's wool fat. Most people say, some people say it's hard to lather. Some people say it's not hard to lather at all. So let's see what it does. Looks pretty loaded. Now we're going to throw a little water into the bottom of this dish, and we're going to go to town. Looks like we need a little more water. Looks pretty good. Looks like a good lather. Let's see what we get. Nice and slick. Definitely. Oh. Yeah. If you take the brush and like go, man, it's like silk on your skin. Just super soft, but yet has some the two band gives you some backbone. Just amazing. I'm I'm so impressed with this brush. If you're really on the ledge, I would say go get it, and you will not be let down by a Theater. They're kind of the leader, kind of leading the pack in best brushes out there. So, I know like Straight Razor Design, a few places sell them. Jump on it, man. Get them. I guess the other day on Cyber Monday, you could have got 10% off. What my other thing I try to do is watch Badger and Blade and the forums, because people try out brushes constantly and are trying to trying out new things and seeing what works best for them. I can tell you from what I have, this is obviously the best brush I've used, I've touched. I don't have a lot of brushes. I've got a couple Boar, a couple Smogs, a 620, a 1305. I've got a Jeff Anderson Shave Mac. that one's nice. I've got an F&S Frank shaving that I got from Paul Sordello. That's nice too, but overall, this one way better than all of them, hands down. And I got a killer deal on it, and just watch for one and jump on and get it, man. Enjoy it. Have a great day. I hope this little review of this brush helps you. The handle, very easy to hold. I have a small hand and love it. Very comfortable. So have a great day. Have a great shave. Bye now.